CSS gradients let you display smooth transitions between two or more specified colors. To create a linear gradient, you must define at least two color stops. Color stops are the colors you want to render smooth transitions. You can also set a starting point and a direction or an angle along with the gradient effect.
Example: inside the head tag, we will type a style tag. We will type background minus image colon linear minus gradient open parenthesis and the first color. For example, we will use red followed by the second color stop, which is yellow. The default direction is from top to bottom, but you can set a direction before the first color stop. So for example, inside the parentheses, we will type to right, or if you want, you can still use a different direction to bottom right, or to bottom left.
Another example shows a linear gradient with multiple color stops. Let's add green, and blue,
Or if you really want to be more specific to the darkness and the lightness of your color, you can still use the color codes. If you don't want a linear gradient, you can also use a radial gradient. A radial gradient is defined by its center. So instead of typing a linear gradient, we will type radial minus gradient. By default, shape is ellipse, size is farthest corner, and position is center. But same as in linear gradient, you can define its size before the first color stop. You can use the size parameter closest side, farthest side, closest corner, and the farthest corner. So we will use first the closest side. Before the first color stop, we will type closest minus side. Then Ctrl S to save and check your output. Or you can still use closest corner. That's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.